Okay, so this boat has not been running in 2 years. It's been docked next to us, and he made it about 100 yards before he appears to be dead in the water. Although it sounds like the engine is still running. So I don't know what the heck he's doing. I'm gonna jump out on the pier here. So I don't know what's going on here. He seems to be adrift, although his engine was running. So I don't know where or what is happening. Seems like maybe he doesn't have any steering. But they managed not to run into the bank, so at least there's that. I want to make sure he doesn't run into our boat. Yeah, got some steam. Well, I don't think he has any steering. That's what I think is wrong. Okay, so that's hard to steer. Yeah. You have to really, adjust for that. Ooh. So circles are not a way to get anywhere. I just don't want him drifting into my boat. or the dock, or the neighbor's boat, or... Okay. As long as, just get him far enough away that I don't have to think about it. Yeah. Oh, about to go in a circle. Huh. Well, this is better than working, I'll tell you that. Oh, he's gonna hit the dock. Always something.
Dude, you can't tie up here. You can't tie up here. You know what? Call the cops. Sure, yeah, exactly. You don't, I will, so get on the phone. Will you stop recording me? I didn't give you permission to do that. You're on private property. You have cameras on the I have permission to be here. From who? Linda and the person who has this. They don't have that slip anymore. They didn't give you permission. The boat's supposed to be out here. Saturday. The boat's supposed to be out on Saturday, guy. No, you're past the extension. You got damage our docks if you don't take care of your boat here. They are not letting you.
Oh, I thought he was calling the tow service.
No, he's calling the cops.
He called the cops.
That's what I mean.
I thought he was calling the tow.
He's on the phone with the cops. He's on the phone with the cops.
Okay, well, for now, I need to put it here because I can't.
Go ahead. This is somebody else's spot.
Call towboats. You're a member. I told you that. Towboats.
Yeah, call towboats. Yeah. What he said.
I didn't do nothing. I just been standing watching cheap entertainment.
Yeah, seriously.